absolutely right. I was driving through fog. I was driving through rain as well. On the bright side, temperatures are mainly in the 50s right now. It's not a terribly cold overnight, so that's good. You're waking up to fairly warm conditions. Numbers in the 50s, 57 in San Carlos, some numbers even in the 50s in the North Bay. And today will be fairly dry. Okay, we're starting out with the drizzle and the fog, but there are a series of weather systems heading in our direction. Here's one that's going to be heading in our direction fairly soon, and we're going to see quite the impact from these storms. In fact, the storm arrives tonight into tomorrow. That's going to be the biggest, most impactful storm that we're going to see. So batten down the hatches, especially if you're in the North Bay. And that goes overnight tonight into tomorrow, and then we get a break. But not before we have life-threatening conditions at the oceans and at the beaches because of these big storms. These big waves are being generated, 30 to 35-foot waves in some areas. Mavericks could see 40-foot waves. And at the beaches, we could certainly see some coastal flooding. Wednesday looks dry. That's the good news. But here are the areas of coastal flooding stretching really from Sonoma County all the way down past San Mateo County. And these waves are a big deal. The flooding could affect not only the beaches, but some of the roads, some of the infrastructure as well. So that is a big concern. And the high surf, again, is going to be westerly. It's going to be really affecting places such as Maverick. So really, the ocean is not the place to be. It is life-threatening. It is a very serious concern there. In terms of rainfall amounts, from now through maybe the end of the week through about Sunday, we could see as many as 4 to 10 inches in the North Bay, and maybe 1 to 6 for some parts of the Bay Area. So watch Eureka, of course. They get the most rain as we go through time. We're just going to tick it up a little bit. You keep your eye on San Francisco, over 2 inches of rain. And the outlook, well, 6 to 10-day outlook, which puts us through near the end of the year. You see that green? That's for us, and that puts us above normal in terms of rainfall.